Biology is the study of life, and the smallest living thing that we know of is a cell. Cell theory describes the basic requirements of how we perceive life to work, and it states that all living organisms are composed of cells. Cells are the smallest unit of life, and cells only arise from pre-existing cells. So no matter if the organism is one cell large or trillions of cells large, each organism can carry out the functions of life. Cells are physically limited with how large they can grow as a factor of their surface area compared to their volume. As they grow, the internal volume of the cell will get too large for the surface area of the membrane to support it. So it ends up splitting into two to maintain a smaller and more preferable surface area to volume ratio. Multicellular organisms are unique in the sense that their cells can be differentiated and perform specific tasks that are different to other cells within the same organism. This leads to the development of tissues and organs that have unique roles that support the entire organism. New functions and properties can emerge from these multicellular structures that a single cell on its own could never do. Cells contain within them molecules that carry a genetic code, called DNA, and different sections of DNA, called genes, can be turned on and expressed or turned off and inhibited. The ability to turn certain genes on and off to use specific parts of the genetic code leads to the differentiation of cells. So a skin cell and a cardiac heart cell all have the same DNA, though different genes are turned on in each one that lead to their unique development, or differentiation. Stem cells are unique cells that can exist in different levels of undifferentiation, awaiting instructions for specific genes to be triggered for them to then be differentiated and have a specific function. This is how your body was developed, with a cluster of undifferentiated stem cells that grew, divided, and got assigned a specific differentiated role based on their expressed genes. Because embryonic stem cells have the ability to be turned into any other type of cell, it makes them suitable for therapeutic uses to treat other problems, like with the creation of skin grafts for burn victims or replacing retina cells for people who have Stargardt's disease.